count up the profit. I pull up with a bad bitch, but at the end of the night, we getting it poppin'. Speaking about rap shit, I hear all the hate, hear all the gossip. But I promise, booby, I'ma chill for real, so don't let me break that promise. Everything with him, everything digital, put that on guard. Everything with back in the city, I'm mixing Javinci with Christian Dior. And these hoes trying to get me, they looking for comers like Lyric Galore. I'm back in my city, I hopped out of prison and jumped on the floors. Bust down what? Bust down this. Big drip what? Big drip this. 15K for my motherfucking fake kid, 22 shots in my motherfucking stick. I'm back in my bag, Sashay. Don't get me mad, Sashay. Bitch, I'm a Suvi, I make a movie right in front your Barclay. Don't let me up and leave it stuck. Pardon me. Don't let me up and leave it stuck. Pardon me. I'm back in my bag, Sashay.
Yo, what up, Sadeem? How are you, fam? Yo, good morning, Mr. Grimm. Good morning, everyone. So let's talk about, well, let's give it a second. Let me get the link out on Instagram. And then, we'll start here. But, I don't think gold's ready to move up yet, bro. This 4 hour has no bottom wick. I mean, we'll have to see how the 1 hour closes. We might make a move up, and then, like, it'll flip later. But I think if this 30-minute can close above this area, then maybe we could get a nice move right at 8 a.m. But I'm looking for buys here today on gold. I honestly was expecting us to pull back towards here. If you saw the breakdown I posted. Yo, what up, Pre-Law? What up, Josh? Good seeing you guys, bro. How you guys doing this morning? Right, but we're almost at our target here at 1990. Looking at the daily candle, we did just break previous daily high. Maybe we are ready to move up. I just don't like this. This 4 hour has no bottom wick at all, bro. So we'll just have to see like how this closes and everything. Love you, bro, from Pakistan. Yo, it's alright. You took a sorry. Much love from the States, bro, is what I meant to say. And then I was reading his when I went to say that. Took a massive L last night, left trades running. Damn, fam. What happened? Let's talk about it. I mean, I guess obviously you left some trades running and they must have not went your way. But what was it on? Gold? Hold on, let me get this up on Instagram real quick and then we'll go over everything again. Just give me a quick second. Alright. So, gold, I want to see this 30-minute close above here, right? Otherwise, we'll have to wait because this next one might, like, go up, break this high, and then come back down and break this low or something. Like, I don't know. Like, this is such a small bottom wick here on the 4 hour, bro. Like, this was literally it on this candle. But maybe after this wick, I don't know, it could move up. That's why I want to see how this 1 hour will close. Like, if this 1 hour does close above here, then maybe we'll risk it, bro. Maybe we'll do it. We'll risk it for the biscuit. We'll just have to see how it closes though. GJ, I think we're gonna melt, right? I said this earlier in the Discord when this happened. I don't remember what time it was exactly. GJ. Yeah, at 150. So not even here. I don't know. I think my time is off. But I just said it. Don't bet for it to keep going up and break out here because it has no bottom wick on this 1 hour. So we're probably gonna pull back to here or something, or at least tap like into this area here for GJ. So I mean, unless we can maybe see like a support created, like say we pull back to like this area here, and then you see price out of their wicket, and then we print a support, or like we see a support printing at it. Then we can maybe look for some buys on GJ. NASDAQ. Now, I accidentally did a dummy move. I accidentally removed everything on from my zones. So give me a second. You're going to watch me draw them. And so you're going to kind of see how I do it. Right, so I picked this one. You can see like all the wicks hit it here, 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 here. Right, so this is obviously like a very respected level here. Right around the 14,500 area. And then let's see. I remember I had one like right here. I believe it was like right here. Yeah, because it was like this 1 hour candle yesterday. I was waiting to take the buys here because this 1 hour candle came the whole ways up after making that big ass bottom wick, but then it never broke the 4 hour high. But I want to see Nasdaq keep melting today, right? Like if we could come down simply enough, like if we break below this daily low right here, see, if we can break that low, then we should just drop down for this wick and then like look at the clean traffic to the left hand side, right? Our first target would probably be like 13,800 around here, and then after that. What to see? I think it might just pull back towards. What's the 1 hour look like? Yeah, I don't know. That's a huge. But we got some clean range to move down on Nasdaq today, and we're pretty bearish for the week already, still too. So, what to see? And then US 30. Almost playing out exactly. You can see the lines. I still had them drawn up. Almost playing out exactly as we anticipated. I honestly expected this to pull back a little further, though. I expected this to pull back and retest structure. But that's just typically what gold does, right? So we'll have to see how US 30 closes. But I think sells below here would be nice if this could close below here. Yeah, it doesn't really look like gold's ready to move up. You're in GJ sells from 163. 828. Damn, what happened to What did you do to homie, bro? Hold on. I think I might be able to fix it. I don't know how the hell to do it, though. It'll be the first time I ever unmute someone. But we also have PPI today, too, so it would make sense for gold to come back down, and then like maybe with the news it'll drop down through like a nice liquidity grab or something. Right. Especially like this 4 hours got no bottom wick, bro. Wait for 300 seconds. Is that the only option actually? Put user in timeout. Hide. What do you guys think though? So we'll have to wait. For gold, I think, anyways, because of the news. Let's keep some GJ up though. I want to watch. Gold buy or sell? We have to wait. But I'm looking to play buys. I'm thinking buys, right? Can you explain about GJ CPI? Yeah, sure. So it looks like I was watching it on the 15-minute. So we had some bad news come out for PPI or the CPIs on the pound, right? So you can see the inflation is up. It was previously 6.2%. It is now 7%. So it's up 0.8% within the last month. So that would have been a bad thing for the pound. But you ought to keep in mind that the yen is shitting itself. So it's going to keep wanting to move up, right? Obviously, you can see that the pound is weak. This is the British pound index. Pound is weak. We've been trending downwards. If we look at the weekly, it'll show you a little bit of a cleaner picture. So the pound is weak. But look at the Japanese yen, bro. It's about to fall off the fucking face of the earth, bro. There's no even support that past like 2007 that it shows. So the Japanese yen is shitting itself. That's why we're seeing GJ fly so much. See, like pound still obviously bearish. We're in this nice downwards trend. We'll have to see what happens once we hit this level here. But anyways, so what happened with the move? So we had the news come out, and initially it wasn't too good. So we made a pullback right here, and then obviously the news just got priced in, and then it just started moving as normal again. Open JPYX. By Pepperstone. Oh, it's a lot cleaner. Does it show oh, what the fuck? Why does it only show Why is it 852 too? What made you look that up, bro? How did you find that? Is there a BXYX? No. RIP JPY, yeah. Yo, what up, MM? But the reason why we're seeing the yen free fall, so like you know that okay, so in case you don't know, the biggest driving factor of Japan's economy is like importing and exporting, right? Like trade. And so with the crude oil, like if we look at the oil chart, like look how much the gas is. So the energy costs are up for them. So it's difficult for them to trade without, you know. Yo, what up, Amon? Good seeing you, homie. Good seeing you. Yeah, so we're gonna have to wait for gold. I need a bottom wick on this 4 hour anyways. We're gonna wait for gold to make that bottom wick 4 hour bottom wick, and we're gonna wait for the news. Say goodbye to my facial hair too. I'm gonna shave that shit. I'm gonna get rid of my mustache. I'm gonna get my beard gone. I'm gonna look a little younger. I'll keep this here though, on the chin. Alright, so it does look like this 1 hour is flipping to bearish as well. If it closes bearish, I'm not taking the counter trend for it to come back down to make that bottom wick, right? You guys can, if the cowboy in you tells you to do it, but I'm not. No counter trend trades. We'll wait for the buys. GJ, same thing. We'll wait for the buys. This 1 hour never made that bottom wick, right? So I think we might pull back into here. Pull back to here, or like pull back to here. We'll have to see, like, if it wants to keep driving up though. Any wins in London? No, I didn't trade anything today yet. Because while GJ, it played out and everything exactly to my analysis. I mean, I would have liked to take the buys from here, but no bottom wick. Because it was like, okay, so you can see right here, you know, I don't trade trend lines, but I'll use them, I'll draw them up. But like you can see, we broke out of this bearish market structure, did a retest, and then drove back up. But since it's left with no bottom wick though, it's pulling back. And it's probably pulling back for the New York session to get better buy opportunities too. You slept through London, horrible headache, but it was good. Yeah, good. I definitely would say away from the charts if I had a nasty headache. GJ closed 29 pips, full loss Ivis. God damn, bro, you idiot. Where did you enter from? You did say, let me see. 163.828. So right here when we broke that. Nice. That was perfect. What, waited for that 1 hour close. Wait for the 1 hour to form its resistance on this new 4 hour candle. Right at resistance too. That was a good trade. Good job, Mr. Grimm. Hold on a second. You entered right after the 1 hour closed bearish and the next candle broke previous 1 hour low. Yeah, nice. Give me a second, I'm gonna take this off. Look at this. Oh. I had some Reese's Puffs too. Mmm. Yo, does anybody here watch crypto? What do we think's the move here for Bitcoin? Do we think that we're gonna break below this 35,000 level? Or do you think we're gonna see all-time highs again soon? I think, my opinion is if we break below previous monthly low, oof, it's not looking too good. Yeah, last week was a bloody week, bro, for Bitcoin and that shit. It's weird seeing 7 daily candles for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Normally they're only 5. Look how ugly GGA got after it. Whoa, it made this move down yesterday. See, we got like 2 more minutes left. I am still waiting. GJ 4 hour making the bottom wick? I highly doubt it. It's only got 1 hour left. So we would literally need this last candle to go up and engulf all of them and just start driving up. It's not gonna happen. Thanks, man. You have the sound on mute. Sounds mess you up. Oh, what do you mean by that? I want to see how this 1 hour closes. I mean, like if it closes below here, then I think we're definitely probably not gonna move up. I just like I don't know. I don't want to take the buys with this 4 hour having no bottom wick. Like, alright, it looks like it has one here, but as soon as you start to zoom out a little bit and look at it like a normal 4 hour chart, like how you would look at one. And plus, I feel like we never made this pullback the whole way. I don't know. We'll see. 1 second left. It is going to close above. The 30-minute close bearish, though? Yeah, this is not moving up, bro. Doesn't even matter. We're waiting for the news anyways. Let's watch. Yo, a migraine, mate? No, I meant like, what sounds did you have muted? Clearly not the stream if you could hear me is what I mean. Unless it's just like down low. You're good if you muted it and it's no problem. That's not what I was saying. I was just like confused. All sounds. Oh. Put the volume low, made everything dark. Yeah, that's the way to go. I used to use white charts, but I don't like them that much. Like, I have some templates. Hold on. Okay, that's not one of them. What the fuck's the difference between this one and the one I just had on? Goat, and then... Yeah, I used to use blue and yellow too. Sure, look at that. That shit looks so ugly now. Look at that 1 hour, bro. Starting to drive up. Then reject. Sorry, I'm probably killing your eyes, bro. Bro, what just happened? Let's not do that shit again. I'm done fucking with it. What the hell? It said gold 28,000 or something. Like it looked like US 30 numbers. Alright, I'm done fucking with it. So I'm wondering if maybe this 30-minute will close above here. Like this. Like it'll go up, close above. It'll close above here, like right here or something. And then the next one, maybe like we'll get a huge ass wick or something. Excuse me, with the news. And it'll drive down to make that 4-hour bottom wick candle. I just like, or maybe it just won't move up at all. PPI is important to CPI, yeah. Sometimes one is more important than the other. But look at GJ. This might be it for it to move back up. Maybe it will flip. Maybe you're right. But I don't know. Like I don't see us breaking above here today. It could happen. We just what did we break that previous 15-minute high? It looks like it just literally made the same exact one. What does it say? High. It did. It made the exact same one. I don't know. Maybe it will flip or something. I don't know. Or maybe it'll close like a doji one, and then the next one will make a bottom wicket and drive up and break it. I mean, we'll see though. Gold is breaking this 1 hour high. Let's see if it keeps moving. I mean, I need to wait for the news anyways. We do have resistance here on the 30-minute. But let's see. I just feel like this is not ready to move. Like I can't take it with no 4-hour bottom wick. No, sir. Plus, it's like there's resistance right here too on a 30-minute. It's just not looking good. Like, there's no setup in here at all. So it looks like US 30 did just flip on the daily candle. 30-minute close below. What does Nasdaq look like though? Nasdaq, same thing. See, we still need the news. Nasdaq hasn't flipped yet. I wonder if we just see a straight up bleeder ass of a day. Look at the 15. I kind of like how the 15 looks a little better than the 30. Are you interested in GJ buy after support? No, probably not, because that 4 hour still might be bearish. Like, I'll just wait for the next one, if anything. I don't know, dude. GJ be playing so much. I hate taking trades on it anyways. Like, most of my losses happen on GJ, honestly. Like, I probably lose twice as much on GJ than I do gold. And it takes forever to move. Like, I wish GJ would make a move like this that it did last night every day. But when GJ makes usually those moves, it does it like this, where look at the 15-minute. Move up, pull back, move up. Like, this was all one move up, pull back, move up, pull back, move up. Then it pull back, move up, pull back. Like, all within like the lower time frame. Like, ooh, a 5-minute probably looks crazy. Yeah, like you want to be in this trade? Look at the 1 minute. What does a 1 minute look like? It's like you go up 10 pips, the next candle you literally come down 10 pips. Then like within this one move up, you go up 15 pips and then you come back down 15 pips. It's just like an ugly ass move. I feel like GJ just moves like that too much. I mean, I still trade it when the setups are clean. But like this initial move up would have been the one that I wanted to take. We'll see. I mean, we'll see how it looks when it comes down to it. Let's see if we break this very high right here. I wonder if it'll just start flying, right? Because there's no traffic past that point. Let's see. At least up to like 1982. Then after that, it's just straight up to. Excuse me. We'll see how this 15-minute prints as well. But then we only have 15 minutes to the news. Bleeder for sure on gold. I think it is. I think it needs to bleed, bro. This 4 or no bottom wick. We are about to break up through there. What up, Nasty though? We did just break it. We'll see what happens. I mean, we got news soon anyway, so whatever it does, it does. Let it go. Sit on your hands if you need to, bro. He says bleeder for sure, bro. What it is does do, Henry. What up? We're waiting for the news. And we're watching everyone sitting at the edge of their seat right now. Gold's moving up. It's moving up. You miss Henry? I can't wait to move and get my PC hooked back up. This sucks. I know, bro. The stream's miss nasty, bro. The streams need nasty. Try not to use all your data up so you pop in here and there. Hey, no, it's no problem, bro. We appreciate when you slide. We appreciate when you slide. Yeah, look at this absolute goat of a zone, bro. This wick hits here. Let's see what it looks like if I go like this. Alright, this 15 is gonna close above. Let's see what happens though. This 30 is still open. 15 buys are nice, yeah, but the next 15 is the news. Well, the next candle. I don't know. I'm not interested in it. I don't know, like I need us to like I think this news is just gonna throw us a wick so that way we can get a wick on this 4 hour. we'll see. I mean, it depends where this candle ends up going and closing before the news happens. But I mean, I agree. The setup, if the news wasn't here, I'd say the setup looks good. I mean, I don't know. Still, like like we need to wait for news, and I feel like the 4 hour needs a bottom wick, bro. If it never makes a bottom wick and goes, then whatever. I'm fine with missing it. I need that bottom wick though, cause it's like it could pull back at any time just to make it. Hey, yo, homie, almost 200 subs. Shoot, if you not sub, become part of history and give me your subscription virginity. Slide. It's for Sam. So we can get to 200. You know, I wanted to get to 100, and then so that way we get like a custom channel link, and I never changed it. What's J doing? So it does look like we made that support on the 15. Let's see what happens though. Yeah, it looks like everything's kind of waiting for the news right now. The last 15 for Nas did nothing. No volume at 8 a.m. at all. There we go, it's starting to melt back down in the range. I'm about to crack my back, watch, listen. Oh, could you hear it? Ah. Little PPI prep. You heard me? Could you hear it? He helped me said, damn. Could you for real hear it? They're gonna put me in them chiropractor videos. Most amazing cracks and pops. You heard that shit pop? Yeah, that shit. It wasn't anything that, like, it wasn't the craziest one I ever had, but that shit still. Ooh, dude, I got this thing here on the side of my face. And I got out the shower yesterday. And I fucking squeezed it. And it went. And it, like, made an air bubble noise, bro. Ooh, I was like, shikes. You need to go to the chiropractor, but you're hella scared of them? You're a bitch, bro. They're not bad at all. Why are you scared of them? Homie, I'll literally have you up on the bed, laid up. Boom, boom. Fucking slamming you down. Cracks you in. You let Yapmon climb on top of you, homie. What's the difference? Homie grabs your neck and snaps that shit. He said, "Hey yo." Dude, I swear to God, waiting for the news always takes the longest. Syed says he's in sales for gold. PPI gonna melt gold. I think if gold breaks below here, I think gold is gonna move down. I agree. I'm not gonna sell it though. I just want to see us make a bottom wick. It might just move up. In CPI and PPI, they said actual greater than forecast, good for currency. Go to my Instagram and watch the video that says Forex factory users need to know this. It'll explain it in less than 60 seconds. Or how about we just look at it? Right? I'm just gonna show you.
How do you guys look at Forex
Holy
Factory for
shit.
your news? You see how it says actual greater than forecast is good for currency? It's cap, bro. It's not true. It is true whenever like we have a normal economy that's not like in all this pandemic and all that bullshit. So do you see like where all these orange dots are kind of around here, around this 0.2 to 0%? This is like healthy levels of inflation. Look at all these years. 2011 the whole ways to like 2020 is whenever. So we're seeing these numbers way above here. This is like where the healthy range is for like inflation. So
You see
PPI is producer price index. So it's the price, the increase of price that it takes producers to make goods, right? Bro, we're way up here. There was a additional 0.8% increase on the cost it took producers to make goods within the last month. You guys understand?
So that's a bad thing for the US dollar, good thing for gold. But just because like this has no bottom wick, like you could see this easily melt down, make a nice liquidity wick to grab buys from this area, and then eventually drive up. We'll see how it wants to do it. We'll see if it does it. I think it might melt, and then maybe we won't see the buys right away, or maybe we might not even see them at all. We'll have to see though. Like I'm just waiting at this point. But hopefully that helps some of you watching that video. That's on my Instagram.
You guys understand?
Whoa, fucking hell. Alright. We post everything. I figured it'd be easier to just show you it. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, no problem. And then now it's like you know it's there, so if you want it in case like maybe you go back and watch it in case you didn't get it the first time, it perfectly makes sense. See, I'm wondering now, like, this thing looks like it's aggressively moving down. I wonder if, like, maybe this 5-minute candle or the next one drives down into here and then rejects and then pulls back up, closes above, and then you're just going to see, like, the body of this 30 print, like, right here. This next one, and then this one will drive down as well. And then, like, you just see it, like, it'll be like a tweezer-looking candle going up. At Real Sam Capital on IG, drop a follow if you ain't already. True. Instagram's like where we post everything. We update like everything. Like so in case you're like wanting to see what's up, what goes on outside of YouTube, go to Instagram and go to the Discord too. The link to the Discord's in the description. Alright, let's see what this next 5-minute does. Close below our level here, our zone. Let's see if it drops in it to make this bottom wick for this 4-hour. Right, I'm gonna watch the 4-hour, see if it does it. The Mr. Green got the link, right? Now we're making that 4-hour bottom wick.
So, yo, Sied, if you're in the cells, be careful. Go break even if you're not already. Just in case this does come back up. You know what I mean? Come on, Gold. Give me a more of a bottom wick than that. Flip a little more. Drop down to like here. 72. The 1 minute Cowboys are lurking. Gold finna fly with the news, I agree. Perfect. What the fuck? I'm a wizard, bro. It tapped into here. Let's see if it pulls back the whole ways above here now. Wow. Wow. Let's see though. I want to see what the 1 minute looks like. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna go run take a piss real quick just so I'm here for this news and then I'm gonna worry about nothing. But let's see if this one candle will come and close back above. Alright, I'm back. Flash confirmed you have 1972 marked. Nice. Nice, nice. Let's see. 1 minute candle printed bullish. Let's see if this one drives up, closes back above. We'll need this one and then the next one at least to do it. Let's see. Dude, if this thing closes back above here, whew, I might just make a reel for that. Imagine that. Go, a little more, little more, little more. Alright, close enough, bro. Okay, let's see what happens. If we bleed out first. And then I want to see it flip and drive up. But I think I might put buy stops in here. Just so that they have less chance of getting slipped or something like a candle does an aggressive ass move back down or something like that.
Alright, well there's the riskier buys if you wanted them. And then if you took them, put your stops below this wick. Alright, but what is the stop looking like? Like for me. You might just have to like watch that lower time frame. Yeah, bro, look at that. 4 hour has a nice bottom wick now to move up. This 1 minute candle looks like it's ready to drive as well after this big ass wick on the bottom of the previous. And it tapped right into our zone. Let's see what happens. Alright, so I think I might put a buy stop in here, but it's gonna be like a 40 pip stop. So if this candle does come back down and flip, then I'm gonna be getting out. But I think I'm gonna put it at the break the high of this 15. So like it's gonna be a bigger stop, but you know what? You'll have a lower lot size, and you'll be more comfortable with the risk too. About to see what the volume is looking like as well. Yeah, check the news. What came out? What was Oh, so it's up even more than they expected, bro. It's up to 1.4%. So that would be a bullish factor for gold. I wonder if it isn't better to maybe just wait for the new 4 hour candle too. Because then it's like at least this one will come and close above. Let's see. There's a good chance too that if this does end up start driving down, then maybe this was just all prices in this move we just did, and then it'll just like continue normal trend.
1972 hit and flew. Nice. You got like 25 pips. Beautiful. Let's see. See how it end up closing. I don't know. We'll see. If this 5-minute flips up and makes a wick here, whew. Otherwise, we'll wait and see how everything looks, alright? So we had that PPI news. Let's see what happens here. See, I want to see if this 5-minute will go up and flip. Flip, start driving up towards where we might want to get in at. Alright, looks like it might be doing it. You went on the flip when the candle opened. Nice, you got like that riskier buy. It was going too crazy for me, bro. That's why I waited. So I'm perfectly fine. We're waiting. I would just hate for it to like do some shit where it goes like that. Starts driving down. Let's see though. Ideally, I would want to wait for the 4-hour close at this point. It looks like all that volume from the news is gone. Alright, it's been about like 10 minutes now.
All of our niggas know I be flexing.
flexing. I did 15 on my check-ins. Big 38 for the weapon.
Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens.
Never know who gon' talk when you tell them things. Never know what problem that the money gon' bring. Never know steady solid go to jail and sing. Never know who I'ma see, gotta keep my team. Never know, never know, never know. 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 BV water, my neck is so. Feed me dope. Her little boy
Say 5 minutes.
takes that off, that's the best approach.
Yeah, this thing like made no top work. Let's see. I don't know. I might remove my buy stop and wait for the 4 hour to close. Right, because then it's like it'll be easier to trade it, and then it's like we have this 4 hour closing above, and then the next one makes the move up. But we had it here in case the volume with the news sent it flying. Makes sense. But I'm wondering if it won't do it on this next 15 minute. Well, we'll see. You see that though? Look at that 4 hour. Made that bottom wick for us. And then this 30-minute close here, and that body just driving up after made that wick down. Nearly exactly as I called it. If I kept this here at the bodies, this would look even better. Look at that. Mine's up exactly, but I had it right where the wicks were hitting. Here and here. Alright, let's see. This 15 minutes gonna print. I think I might just remove my buy stop and wait, boys. I want this 4 hour to close bear or bullish before anything, right? And then we'll just wait for it to make its bottom wick or whatever, and then we'll look to get into the buys. I feel like that just makes more sense. So I'm gonna remove it. If it goes, it goes. Right? I'm playing it safe here today. I'd rather wait for this thing to close above here. I mean, I guarantee you it will close above, but the buys that we want to see are gonna happen on the next one. Gold rejected the previous day high 3 times. I mean, we're at a high point. New York opened up. We're waiting for news. I would assume it would reject. Right? They're not going to start pushing the price up before the news happens. They're not going to know what's going on. Me personally, I probably wouldn't start buying into something when something's about to happen to the news of it, like, you know what I mean? Like right before, because like what if the CPI report comes out and then it's like inflation's down 5%? They're gonna start selling the gold, bro. It's gonna start tanking. I mean, like, that's not realistic, but I mean, you get the point. I think as long as like we can close above here, if we could maybe print bullish on the 1 hour too, that'd even give me better confirmation. Because then it's just like all we need to do is wait for that bottom wick. We can stay on the 1 hour chart, let it make its bottom wick, and then when it starts to drive up, break the high, and then we have like stops like this. Like, I mean, it'd be a little bit of a fatter stop. It'd be like 40, 50 pips, but I mean, this full target's like 80. And then it's like if we start breaking above here on the 4 hour, start breaking previous 4 hour high, we should start flying. We'll have to see how it all closes though. What's Nas looking like? Ain't gonna lie, I feel like Nasdaq. Nas, gold. What's GJ looking like? Ooh, GJ is moving up now. See, but like, look how fucking ugly GJ be moving, bro. This 30-minute. I mean, I don't know if I would have took it at the flip. You wish you bought it at 1972, bro. I was telling you, I said these are the cowboy buyers. I said it. Cowboy buyers right here. We don't participate in none of that. Like, I won't be participating in that, but you can do whatever you want. And it did it. FOMO kicking you in? Nah, that's fine, bro. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. If we don't get a trade today, whatever. I mean, we still have some time. But if the 4 hour closes below here, then I don't know, boys. What about this 15-minute flip? I'd rather just wait for the 4 hour to close first. I mean, you could. I mean, it's like 16 pips to fill this wick here. And then the resistance is like 20. I mean, I don't know. I'd rather just wait. Like, if I were to take one trade today, I ain't gonna bet it off of this. You know what I mean? We will wait with you, coach. Yeah. It's fine. I mean, like, you know, there's thousands of setups every day that could technically play out. But I mean, like, do you really want to take a 15-minute flip when it looks like this? Like, I'll wait for it to be a little bit clearer. FOMO kicking you in, yeah, bro. Chill. It's okay, Mr. Grimm. So I wonder, like, US 30 is gonna close like this. I think personally for US 30 and that, I'd wait for it to break below this area here for sells, just because it's looking kind of ugly. Like, you still have a 4 hour resistance here.
We went bullish volume, but PPI gave us bad bearish volume. I think it's because we're at the high right now, right? Yesterday, whenever we had what was it, PPIs, like it was right here, but we still had this high point way up here.
She got a body like Rihanna. Double rice at Benihana. Uptight but drive a Honda. She was the only one down for me. She got that ass like a mama. She said she not with the drama. You get a number, better call her. She was the only one down for me. She was the only one down for me. She was the only one down. Yeah. Only one down. She was the only one down for me.
Stay loyal and stay down. By my side every night when I lay down. She would always pick me up when I break down. I knew her secrets, we both from the same town. She had everything that I need, but half of my lifestyle was high speed. She wants Netflix and chill in a light weed. She wants marriage and one day my seed.
6 more minutes, boys. 6 more minutes. See if we close above here on this 4 hour. Right, if I delete this real quick, but look how simple this looks. If we take off this, see, look how beautiful this looks if it closes above here. Just let this one close here, pull back into here, make a nice bottom wick, start to drop up, flip, break the high. Beautiful, and then it should just continue up.
She was the only one down for me. She got that ass like a mama. She said she not with the drama.
We have clean traffic up towards 1990.
She was the only one down for me. She was the only one down for me. She was the only one down. Only one down. She was the only one down for me.
Sun coming up, laying wide awake. Seeing images of you that I'm trying to shake. Stomach turning from mistakes, wasn't trying to make. And all the promises that I would break. Yeah, I try to act like it's nothing wrong. But it seems every week I make another song. About you, my bros are like, what's going on? Quit tripping, bro, you need to be moving on. With all due respect, a good bitch. But after we broke up, it seemed her mood switch. They could be
I want to see if this 1 hour could close bullish. That would make it even nicer, because then it's like we know that the move should happen on the first 1 hour candle. It's gonna print on this 4 hour.
same either, probably change with each step. I take a deep
Right.
breath and try to reset.
She got a body like Rihanna. Double rice at Benihana. Uptight but drive a Honda. She was the only one down for me. She got that ass like a mama. She said she not with the drama. You get a number, better call her. She was the only one down for me. She was the only one down for me. She was the only one down. Only one down. She was the only one down for me. Only one down. Only one down. Only one. Only one down. The only one down for me. Only one down. Only one down. Only one. Only one down. Only one down.
3 more minutes. I'm sitting here eating. What the fuck are these called, bro? Brownie brittle with chocolate chip. Fire. One gram of protein too. Shee, we be eating. Where are you from? I'm from PA. I'm from the east side. That might have been like a backwards E, because the way the camera's set up. Are you from the States, MM, or are you from somewhere else? You were saying mate, so I feel like you're from the, like from Europe. Or you're Australian or something. Because don't they say that too? Crikey, mate. Now you in Dubai? God damn. What are you, where are you, like you were born there and everything too? That's crazy. Dubai, goddamn. I want to visit, you studied in a British school and your friends are from the UK? Oh, okay, that makes sense. Dude, I want to come to Dubai someday. We'll have to see. Someday, like, it'll probably be like, good while. In the future, bro. Dubai is nice? Hell yeah, it is. That's the only thing I see about it is nice shit. That's the only thing I see is nice stuff in Dubai. No tax gang? Yeah. That's crazy to me, bro. If we kept this fat ass like last price line. No, we don't do that. Excuse me if you heard that. Move here, open a small business, and you can live here. Easy. I wish it was that easy. Bro, maddest part of it is that easy? All you need is like 25k max. Alright, so we closed above. 1 hour did close bearish. I think maybe we let this 30-minute print do what it wants to do, make this pullback, and then when it starts to when it closes above here, I think that will be a better play. Because then at that point, like, we'll have a 1 hour candle that's bullish above here. We'll have a 30-minute candle closing above resistance. 4 hour candle will be driving up to break the high, and it probably will break the high, honestly, when it goes to close above here. We'll have to see. I mean, it depends how big the stop is, like when it goes up to break the 4 hour high, to maybe just take it off of that. On your broker, your 4 hour closes 1 hour before trading view? Yeah. But gold should be, mine does too. But gold should be, bearish, but like a super bullish candle. The last 4 hours should be super bullish. But looks like we're tapping into here. See what happens. But at 9:32 on the next 30-minute candle, we'll have that NYSE volume as well. See, price is not sustaining above daily high. So are you suggesting gold should drop here? I think gold's about to flip and drive up, in my opinion. I think gold looks like it's respecting this level a lot. We're rejecting a lot of it. We'll have to see. I mean, everything's possible, but I don't know. The 4-hour just closed above resistance. We're trending up. You also wanted to flip and hit your TPE at 1990? I thought you were in sales, bro. That's what you said earlier. But it looks like the 5 minutes tapping into where these bodies were. And where all these wicks kind of hit and it's rejecting. This is all lower time frame though. Like we're literally 5 minutes into a 4-hour candle. You're in buys? Nice. Yeah, I think they should play out for you nicely eventually. I think I just want to wait for the candles to print and show me what I want to see before I think about doing anything. So now this is what I think will be interesting for GJ. This 1-hour candle moved up with no bottom wick. Let's see if it breaks the high and keeps driving up and see how big of a bottom wick we get on this 4-hour, but I don't know. I definitely would anticipate sales on GJ within this next 4-hour candle, right? At this point. Like, I don't think GJ is going to want to keep moving up today. We'll see what happens, though. 4-hour just started driving up to make its top wick, in my opinion. Let's see, like, it could reject anywhere around where it's at right now. You've got, like, a resistance right here. You have to see what GJ will do. It moves very slowly. How did Nasdaq end up closing? Bearish. 1-hour bearish. 30-minute bearish as well. Sheesh. This one made no bottom wick. US 30, same thing. And it closed below. Yeah, US 30 looking like she about to dump.
Making this shit ain't a issue. I got that shit with a tissue. I just pulled up in the Tesla, hopped out looking like Piscas. I just was cooking this brown dirt. Tell you the truth, man, my wrist hurt. Y'all niggas faker than big turf. Rockin' yellow diamonds, but no Pittsburgh. Pulled up, hopping out of Chevy, vert. Diamonds on my motherfucking ankle, Kurt. Get a nigga wet ASAP, fur. Chrome hard glass, no cap, nerd. Get it out, hair done 20 times, just like Babs, word. Sending them sides to the town, all of my dogs serve. 345, my bitches, I was trapping that pussy, I was getting my riches. I came a long way from a damn on the Civic. Now it cost $500,000 in a band, oh, I'm chillin'. I invested $250,000 and my man got a ticket. Nixon on Kool-Aid, all colors, no kitten. I picked my Louis, my cheering them bitches. Trapped all the doors off, I'm living relentless. I came a long way from a motherfucking struggle, nigga. Hit the road with them bills like a trucker, nigga. Lost my dog ever since, it's like fuck a nigga. Excuse my language, but you just a sucker, nigga. On another note, I never trust a nigga. I done tied ties with some other niggas. Found pride in my lover, nigga. Carve a S with a cutter, nigga. I'm big as it get, changing up my car locks, yeah. Been right over, let's get lit. Let's get lit, let's get lit, let's get litty. Let's get lit, let's get lit, let's get litty. Let's get lit, let's get lit, let's get litty. Let's get lit.
Alright, we're like 10 minutes into this 4 hour. Let's see. It's starting to look like she wants to move down, huh? Look at US 30, bro. We're at this resistance now. Or this support here.
Go on, bust it open, go ahead, baby, get naked. Know you got a nigga, but I wanna see you get naked. Deep throat, baby, go ahead, take it. Nigga on the strip, all the bitch while you in Vegas. Say you getting money, but the whole world know you fake it. Move with the quickness, flex so hard, had to invest in fitness. Everybody think when you rich, you can fix shit. Shit ain't broke, unless you broke, that's some real shit. I can see my whole family college now, rap nigga mad cause his father never came around. Little brother J.A.1, always stay down here, knock the tooth off a nigga if they talk down. That's right, knock your tooth if you talk loose, bitch, giving that deep throat like a white goose.
Yeah. Spread it out, spread it out, spread it out, mosh pit. Mosh pit, mosh pit.
Yeah, that 1 hour still rejecting this area. I mean, we are what? Only 12 minutes in. Looks like gold's starting to move down too. We're just gonna have to wait here today. You think it could retest 1972? Okay, well, I think if it retests 1972, we might break the previous 4-hour low at that point. So I'm not sure. We'll see what happens. As long as it doesn't break it, then we're all good. But if we do break previous 4-hour low, we'll have to see. I mean, there's a chance that we could still go up and then break the high. But if we start breaking lows, then there is a high chance that we might move down. I don't know. Maybe today's a no trade day. We still got time though. US 30 and Nas are gonna go to the floor. I don't know. This looks like it's like a little. Like the higher time frame looks good as fuck. I wish that this like wasn't near here though. Resistance at 9:30 open. Don't matter. Yeah, 100%. Like if this closes here, but the thing is though, it could move down initially, right? But then it could pull back because it's like it'll do it a lot. Yeah, it's a quick trade. Yeah. Like if you're in and out, but I wouldn't like sell from here and expect it to go the whole way to TP and keep moving down. Yeah. See, like that's how I like to trade Nasdaq too. I like to take a nice little scalp right at whenever the NYSE Open happens, and then just get out because what's the point of catching the whole move the whole time anyways? All right, so let's see what. Oh, 15-minute did reject this area here, bro. So let's see what happens now. Doors up on my coupe, I'm driving down Rodeo. I don't know if I'm gonna trade the Nas or US 30 today. I think I just want to wait for gold. Like I haven't had a single trade all day. I'm gonna do it on what I'm most comfortable with.
I just looked at my wrist, I got time today. Fuck it, I'm crossing the line today. The hate be so real, the love be fake. Be bumping they gums and bumping my tape. Don't go against me, they ask for my help. Go get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept. Yup, she got a nigga, he got a shirt. Why? You can't compete when you can't compare. She ate the dick through my underwear. Got up and got herself out of there. I see they put me on memes and things. Don't speak.
I almost want to take this at the 1 hour and 4 hour flip, bro, right here, but I don't know. I feel like that's a stupid move. Just because that's like resistance right here on the 1 hour technically, and then 30-minute resistance is still here. So I'm just going to wait. That would be the best entry though. Well, yeah, I mean like technically yeah, it would be. Because it's like that's the bottom wick. We're starting to re-break its own high. But we have no confirmation of us moving up on this 4 hour until we break previous high as well. But if we can close above here on a 30-minute candle, then yeah, it should just go up and do it. Once it closes above, you know. What's this 5-minute look like though? I just made a nice bottom wick. It's kind of driving up. We'll see how this 30-minute closes. Looked at my wrist, I got time today. I'm about to start freestyling. I looked at my wrist, I got time today. Mr. Grimm looking so fine today. My dope in the bushes. Dope in the bushes. Look at this thing, bro. It's pulling out, it's pulling backward. No bottom wick. Ooh, I'm getting chills, bro. It's cold. Give his hand to the hoes. 4 hour about to flip. Yeah, I needed to break this high though. Or for it to close above. That would be beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna grab a drink real quick and then I'll be right back, boys. I'll be right back.
Walked in with a girl that's making triple what I'm making, what an entrance. That's when you know it's a body. Zone since they know it's a body. Kirkwood they know it's a body. New Mexico know it's a body. Scooter in here with the zombies. Gucci get out, it's a problem. I might take a
Alright, I'm back. Look at her, she's flipping up.
picture with all of my niggas that just made the visual last.
It'd be beautiful if you can come and close above. Wouldn't it? Wouldn't it?
You remind me of a quarterback, your shit is all in the past. Esco and Boomin, they got it on smash.
I got the digital dash. This is looking good, boys. We're gonna get paid to be patient. Look at the 4 hour. No, go up. Ooh, this a vibe, bro. I hadn't heard this song forever. I'm gonna get copyrighted off this one. Watch. We fell in love. And the leaves turn brown.
And we could be together, baby, as long as skies are blue. You act so innocent now, but you lied so soon. When I met you in the summer.
It's our 15 looking like. Oh, go up. Man, oh man. So much waiting today. 9:30 better have some damn volume or something, bro. Look at GJ mounting away now right after we called how it would happen here and flip. Beautiful. Nice. Now, does gold have the sack to close above on this 30 that we have currently open right now? Do you think it will go and close above? And what would current stops be? Oh my fucking god, like 60 pips? Okay, well hopefully if it closes above, that it in the process makes a nice bottom wick. Well, I mean, we'll have to see. We'll have to see.
Once it closes above, you'll be in with full margin. Imagine it fakes out. Mr. Grimmer waiting all morning, bro. Come on, fam. You even had a trade earlier. You ate up on it. I haven't even got a single one yet. How do you think I feel? I'm fucking deprived right now, bro. $1 billion lots. Go ahead, Gold. Break that previous high, bro. Go up and do it. Tomorrow we have retail sales monthly. Yeah, tomorrow. Retail sales, they don't have a huge impact, but you will see a little bit of volume coming in with that. So we closed bearish on a 30. This 1 hour is still bearish, where the previous one is. This thing's moving up with no bottom wick. Let's see. I don't want to sit here all day, bro. Let's look at NASDAQ, bro. It's probably moving. Let's see if she's melting. US 30 has not started melting yet. Let's see. It looks like it's moving up. See if it respects this current 30 high.
I don't know, boys. If this thing ends up going with no bottom wick, that's it. No trades for me today. Patience, patience. Bro, what the fuck is US 30? Look at this chart. I'm looking at it on my phone. Look at that shit, bro. What's going on? What's going on here, bro? MM, you see this on US 30, bro? Controller FX took 10 pips of H4 breaking the highs. Where? I mean, good for him though. But it didn't break the 4-hour highs yet. Huh? I broke and made a new high? What are you talking about, bro? Talking about here? That was like 5:30 in the morning though. I don't know if he streams then. Yo, what up, man? You looking at US 30? No, I've just been waiting on gold, bro. I was just asking. I was like, you seeing this on US 30, bro? I was like, what the fuck is this 15-minute candle, bro? It was way up here. You lost on US 30 by .1 pip? What do you mean? Did you sell it or something? Oh, your sell stop was in hella low. Ah, the spread got you. I'm assuming that's what you meant. Volume probably kicked that spread up. No joke, a .1 or even lower. Goddamn, feels bad, bro. Oh, look at this 5-minute here on gold. I just don't like this 15-minute at all, or this 30-minute, bro. It has no bottom wick. Dude, peach tea be hitting the last couple of days. Gold, gold, gold. Why can't you go up or just do one thing? Oh, we want you to do today. What's oil looking like, boys? Oil looks like she's moving up. Look how crazy this looks now that the volume for it's up and it's being traded. Excuse me, traded more. Okay, it looks like gold is moving up right now. See, we're about to break the previous 4-hour high. And rejection. No bottom wick. Did it break it? 730. Nope. Missed it by 3 pips. Look at how unfortunate, bro. I think we need a 1 hour candle to print bullish here. Because remember how I had said hopefully this one, like the last one we just had printed bullish. So we'll see what happens. If it does go up and break that 4 hour high though with no bottom wick, I'm just gonna leave the charts alone. WTF, I told you it moved out with no bottom wick, bro. She's gonna reject her again, watch. No? Let's see if we break this 30-minute low, it just might go down. Still though, until it breaks this 30-minute low, I think we still have a chance to reject. Never mind, bro. And now this might just bleed. Oh, this 15 has no top wick. Bro, yeah, now this is gonna fucking pull back up. I didn't even realize the new one opened up. You said 1972? Maybe. Well, I doubt it now. Look at that. It's just gonna reject again. We never broke the 1 hour lows. That was the most important thing. We broke the 30-minute lows, but on a 15-minute candle with no top wick, it just fucking went straight down. What does this look like? Yeah, bro. It literally opened up and went straight down. I mean, there's a chance we might so now that it broke the 30-minute lows, the 15-minute could pull back to make a top wick and then keep moving down. We'll see though.
Alright, if we break 1 hour lows though. What to see, yeah, I don't know. If we break 1 hour lows, boys, we'll be breaking the previous 4 hour bottom wick too. Gold's playing with newbies? Yeah, I know. I wonder how many people ever traded this day. That's why they say gold is a menace, bro. It's really, I feel like gold's really not. You just gotta understand how it moves. Like, bro, this shit just went down 30 pips instantly as this 15 open. Like, that's crazy. Off of one 1 minute candle, 30 pips. It'll take GJ fucking 3 hours to do that. Tell me I'm lying, bro. Alright, let's look. This 5 minute just closed below here. And you know what's crazy with the amount of times. Let's try it on the 1 minute. Yeah, that's what I was about to say. You know what's crazy is, see, 1 minute price action gets respected. You know what I mean? Like, if you have the correct zones and everything, and you understand how the candles are forming, like, you know. But what I think's so crazy to me is, like, bro, the amount of times that we've come like below this area, and we know we're gonna reject, but we still just sit on our hands and wait because, I mean, to be fair, these could have been like considered discount buy opportunities. I am thinking of maybe like trying to develop a strategy for that kind of shit because we understand how, like, I have to back test and everything, but I come up with like a brilliant idea of like where if we close above a resistance, right, and price action and everything looks good, everything's adding up on all the time frames. As soon as, like, say like we create a support and the next candle pulls back to make its bottom wick, if it taps into our zone, we can maybe take a buy, keep like a less than 10 pip stop, and so we could trade like a bigger lot size and then have like a more of a risk reward. You're gonna dip, see you later. Alright, homie. Yeah, I don't know how much longer I'm gonna stay around, boys. This is just taking too damn long to play out, and then if this 1 hour ends up closing bearish too, then we probably won't move up. Unless it goes down like this, respects the previous one's low, and then starts to drive up. But then you would still need that one to close, and so then the move would happen finally at 11 a.m. So, I think I'm gonna end the stream. No trades today on the stream. But in the Discord though, if I am watching the charts still, I'll let you guys know what I'm seeing and everything, right? But I don't know. It depends how late in the day it is, cause then it's just gonna be a shitty ass move. Buy opportunities on 1 minute. I don't know. It's starting to get risky to buy it. Just cause like everything's starting to close bearish. Like we got 6 minutes for this 30-minute left, and it doesn't look like it wants to close bullish. And same thing with the 1 hour. So I think that's gonna be it for me today, boys. Sorry we didn't get to trade anything. But you know what? Better safe than sorry. And I mean, we dissected the charts very well. Everything basically played out exactly as we wanted to see it. I ain't gonna lie. Wasn't really expecting this kind of a move on Nasdaq in US 30. But the overall initial, since we had printed here, our move down and then our pullback to move back down towards here played out. Like at least on US 30 it looked nicer. Alright, full back. And then gold. We never got a full pullback to 1957. But you know, it is what it is. So I'm gonna head out. Thank you everyone for participating in this stream today. Participating in greatness. You know, these are just the mental building days. Days that you know, you just gotta sit on your hands and, you know, watch the charts happen and not take any opportunities, right? Just building your mental discipline. But we'll be back tomorrow. And I'm out of here. Peace.
Worth a couple hundred mil, no thousand. This bitch wanna fuck me, but I charge by the hour. My neck and my wrist in the shower. Like, how the fuck you growing up and baby say you childish? I just bought my young bitch up watching, now she wildin', styling, profiling. You bitches can't devour. And I'm Clifflo Dollar smiling. We somewhere on the island, vibing. Balls smell like powder. Fuck it, take it to trial. Take this shit to motherfucking trial. Take this shit to motherfucking trial, yeah. Take this shit to motherfucking trial. Take this shit to motherfucking trial, yeah. Slime green, AP look like herpes on